Okay, yeah, that feels fucking weird. So that's the balance point right there. Which is up very high. I have been in the same camp as so many of you, grasping our spears of fear. I'm talking about that not so proud totem pole of the power wheelie / chasing it phase, where we still feel like big boys, sort of, because we can pop the wheel off the pavement for a second, but really we're not. I've wanted to learn balance point wheelies for a long time. That's when you come back and you feel practically weightless, like you're about to tip over in a chair, but then you feather that rear brake to keep you from flipping over. I've watched many a tutorial and I fully grasp the concept of the higher back you get, the less throttle you give it, and if you get back too far, you've got that rear brake. Keep your feet on the pegs, don't panic and whiskey throttle, just hit that rear brake. I get the concept, as many of you do, but that doesn't matter. Tutorials you watch and how much you get the concept of how a wheelie works, but you yourself can't get them up there, because when you get up high to the balance point, you feel like you're about to loop out. What if I told you that that's not an uncommon feeling I'm feeling, you might be feeling? Reed over there at the Talaria Boys shared a similar sentiment.
Me and Alex were literally doing for weeks.
Yeah, we were doing this step for weeks.
And then it finally clicked for us. We found that balance. We were just too scared to go far enough back to that balance point. It's way far back there. You don't realize how far back it is. You just gotta make sure you're always having your finger on that brake so you don't go.
In this video, I'm gonna do foot drags for the first time, which I think look and feel and are super stupid and silly, but not nearly as much as not knowing how to do a balance point wheelie. So maybe if it's a useful tool to help me learn, I'm gonna screw with them a little bit, and then a bunch of repetition, popping it up, bringing it back down, which is good for building muscle memory, so you know the rear brake is there for you when you get back too far. Editing this video, I was supremely disappointed in my, I guess, performance, or not really that, but what I thought in my head felt like, whoa, you're getting back on fucking high now. You're really not. Watching the footage back, I can barely see my front fender, which means I'm nowhere near balance point. And that weightless feeling, that little pit in your tummy where you feel like you're about to flip over, that's balance point, and that's what I need to get over. The fear of riding in. To squeeze a little lemon juice in the cut if you've got a homeboy, a buddy that's a stunter, and he's popping 12 o'clocks next to you and combos, it's gonna really make you want to do wheelies even more. I'm gonna learn these sons of bees, not only on the RTR, but on the E-Rod 3.0, and then eventually on some bigger, more powerful bikes. Man, I've been doing power wheelies / chasing it for so long on gas bikes, accepted that that's how I was gonna be wheeling, but no, I'm not accepting that anymore. I don't care if I have to crack my fucking spine. Well, I don't want to do that. An exaggeration. Everything short of that, I would really like to learn these goddamn balance point wheelies. I just need to knock the dust off my cooch and grow a bigger sack and get used to putting it back into balance point. Auto here. Also, the bike's still making that noise it was making yesterday. I don't know why I assumed it would have just naturally stopped, but it almost sounds like the chain is loose or something. Oh yeah, that back brake's way better after changing the pads. Oh, that simply doesn't belong. That's a bit of a road hazard. Where you came from, but you're just gonna live right over here. That was risky business. Didn't even have my hand on the rear brake. Foot drags. I know it's not the most exciting thing in the world, but it is gonna help us learn. Well, help me learn. You guys already know how to do wheelies. Every single one of you. Every single one of you suckers. We're gonna go find a little piece of pavement away from the people. So basically I'll just have to sit on the bike, let it start going with me on it. Sounds fucking weird. Keep my feet down. That's up so fucking high. Damn, that dude's fast as fuck. So that's the balance point right there. It is up very high. Just keep my feet down, do a little foot drag action. You know, it's stupid and whack, but so's not knowing how to wheelie. Power wheelie, chasing it territory. It's all right though. Okay. I don't know what I'm saying okay about, like I done something. So I was looking down, I didn't have my shoulders back in the erect wheelie position. Okay, yeah, that feels fucking weird. Okay. Shoulders and arms are tender and sore today, but wheelies, I've been putting them off for too long. Pinch it with my ass cheeks. Okay, shit, I let her down. I let you down. Ooh, spun out there. It did not pop up, it spun on me. Slowly but surely. Okay, back on the concrete, please. Where we're trying to learn these things. Foot dragging ass. Man, you're fast. I caught that sprint when I was over there. I was like, damn.
Stay on it before I lose it. Careful on that.
I will.
I like it.
Thanks, brother. That feels so fucking weird. What? That's crazy feeling. Get on, you big girl. Feels so fucking weird. I'm not used to having my feet down like this. There you go, you're foot dragging for a sec. Soles of my shoe getting peeled off. Whew, started coming up on me. Okay, there's your balance point. Okay, you're in it. Foot drag. Damn, too much brake. Canceled it with the brake. Some of these pops are just pointless, but I guess any kind of repetition or training is fucking good, you know? Go that air, slow it down. Those high pops, what we're here for. Slow it down, get it up higher. Came up a little something on me. That was the only one today that scared me a little bit. Thirsty as all hell right now. Dehydrado. Oh, there's a skunk back here. I can smell him. He's stinky. There's a car right there. I don't know if I like that. Perhaps not. Back in the skunk smell. I take another cut through out of here. I've never seen an SUV there at that little spot. It's weird.
All right, that was coming up to balance point.
This is why you should record your wheelies, because it genuinely does feel like you're really far back there, maybe even about to tip over, but really that's the balance point that you need to be riding in. Without recording, where you can look at your shadow and be like, oh, I wasn't even up that high, then you'll never know that you can go much higher, much further back in your wheelies before flipping, tipping, looping, and pooping.
Pretty much balance point. It smells like it's burning. Hopefully it's not my motor. Holy shit, dude, I'm getting better at these. Need some food and water. Not necessarily in that order. I'm run down after this practice.